Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna continue work on the Silverado, and in order for me to continue on it, I need to fix couple issues on it in order to continue assembling the interior. And that issue is over here. You see this what is it, amplifier module, whatever that is. It's supposed to be over here, and this panel is supposed to have this kind of pins, and this kind of pins actually welds into the metal, and I can't do that because if I'm gonna weld, then I'm gonna burn marks, gonna have burnt marks. That means I'm gonna have to paint it here, and I'm gonna have to paint it here. I think I came to a solution how to fix that. I think you guys gonna hate me for that, but at the same time I'm not willing to repaint everything. I'm willing to make a hole, put a stud there, and seal it so it's weatherproof. Let me show you what I'm thinking to do. Over here you can see I got this what is it, goop, clear transparent automotive contact adhesive, blah blah blah, premium bond, extend flex, waterproof, paintable. That matters. I don't know how this thing works. What is this? If this is sealer or this is something like a JB weld, but in order for me to fit this, I bought this at Ace. So you can see there's nothing behind, and there's actually a little thing that when you put it through the hole with those things, is gonna hold and won't move. So my plan is put this here, mark where the hole's gonna be, drill the holes, stick them from that side, apply this gop over here from outside, put it here, use a washer and use a nut. I love that, and we should be good to go. And there shouldn't be any water leaks. And also I'm thinking to do same exact thing for the module that sits in the front, because like I said, I don't want it to paint. I mean, my past 2 weeks been paint. Yes, too much paint. It's already over here. I want to do something different, and I don't see anything wrong. You can hate me on this. I allow you. You can do that, but I'm not willing to repaint and welding. So this is the easy solution for me right now. Let's go, let's drill those holes, apply that goop and attach it, and then I'm gonna be able to continue assembling rear end. I can throw seats and finish with the front seat, and maybe then I can throw all the doors if I'll have time. Check this out. Came out really nice. Can't even tell, slightly color difference, but again, it's barely even any color over here. Also, look how this looks. Looks original, right? And that's how it looks from this side. Let me zoom in. See over there? One over there, and another over there. Huh, looks pretty nice. I like it. You might interested in them? There you go. So this I'm gonna use same exact ones for over there. Since they're working pretty nice, they look original, I'm just gonna paint them from spray can, let them sit for a while, and then I'll attach the module with those, and it's gonna work just fine. I love it. I'm ready to install the sound deadening and everything that goes over here before I can throw this seat back in. So let's do that right quick and let's finish with this interior. Another goal is accomplished. Seats are back, they're tight. I need to buy the headrest, and also I need to buy this headrest. This interior is not done. It's really close to be done, but I don't have all the parts for the interior. I haven't been on a junkyard, so I still need to buy lots of plastics off of junkyard, which is silver, and anything above from roof to the middle I need to replace it, all the silver ones. 2 A pillars, 2 B pillars, 2 C pillars, and of course headliner, but I do have a headliner, which is not a problem. And then I would have to buy a headrest for this one and that one, and after that I can install the headliner, I can install the middle pieces, and then I can install bottom pieces. But in order not to lose the time, I know we cannot jump on the doors, install front doors, install rear doors. Just take a look at the complete truck after week and few days. So let's install those doors. There you go, guys, the truck is finally back together. Not all the way, but it's halfway there. So hey, it's finally start looking like a truck, right? All I have to do is install the front end together, like headlights, grill, and bumper, and call it good, right? Windshield and all the glass, who needs it? Oh man, looks really nice. I love how it came out. Okay, let's run down the things that we need to address. This door, you can see how badly this gouge and this glue over here. Need to get the Silverado letters out. Need to take care of this glue stuff, and whatever deep scratches I need to block them and prime them. This door, I don't see any damage on it. Looks pretty clean. Only a few scratches which will be taken care of with the sandpaper. This, a lot of you guys telling me just touch it up and call it good. I'll sleep on it. I don't know. Over here you can see, and I mean it's 2019. I kinda don't want to paint it, but at the same time I want to look perfect. And man, you can see there's some kind of vagueness in it, so I'm gonna have to do something. I don't know what is normal or not. I don't know. Looks weird. Looks weird. Tailgate is fine. This side of the bed ding over there, but that dent repair will take care. Oh, there's something going on over here. See that? Something going on over there, but I'll let the dent repair deal with it. Over here we have a dent. I mean, there's no damage on this side, so that side problem not gonna be painted because there's no point. If the color will match, good to go. This side, this door is dinged. You can see there's damage, and this door looks like just the glue. Oh no, there's a gouge over here that needs to be fixed. Man, another body work. I'm tired of it. I'm tired of it. I'm tired of this freaking body work, but you can't run from it. At least the front end is good. I don't see any damage on the front end. I don't see any dings or dents. Oh man, let's get this thing inside and let's start working dings and dents, getting that disassemble this door. This door needs to be disassembled. We're taking these mirrors out. We're not using them. I really don't want to do it. I'm looking at it, I'm like, I don't want to do it. It's just screw it. Let's go. Let's get it done. The longer I look at it, the longer I think about it, the harder it is. So let's just get this thing inside and take care of some issues, and hopefully by end of this episode I'll be done with it. That's it, door completely disassembled and ready to start body work. This area over here, you saw me using wax and grease remover and didn't really help, but again, I have 320 in the block over there. I'm gonna block this off. You can see how much they took off the paint off of it. So I'm gonna block all of this area over here with the block. And also there's a few scratches over here. I don't know how deep they are. I'm gonna have to access it from the other side and bit it out a little and see if I can block it, if it's gonna be enough to just prime it or not. I only can tell that after I'll get to this damage. But right now, let's work our way from here down. So guys, this is what I have over here. Well, the body filler is current, so I can send it and prepare it to be primed. I'm gonna go on other side and fix the back door. This over here, that's how it's gonna be. I'm gonna go around 320 and prime it. Now, let's go on this side and let's start working on this door over here. Let's straight out the metal and prepare it for a body filler. That's it. Ready! Truck is assembled and also bodywork is complete. Finally, now the biggest task is to sand all of this. Hold this side, hood, and other side is like insane amount of work. This primer, all of this primer, this fender, this door. Oh man, there's a lot of parts, and the thing is, those parts are so big. I mean, it's not like BMW door or quarter panel or fender. This fender is like a BMW quarter panel. It's huge. I'm not looking forward to prep this for paint. It's gonna be so much sanding, but I have some idea. We'll see, am I gonna work? Hey guys, I did everything that I can today, even did a body work so I can get closer to paint, so I can get closer and faster to finish. And that's where I'm gonna wrap it up this episode. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, smash that like button and leave your thoughts down below. It helps grow channel. If you want to see Inside Scoop before YouTube, make sure you follow me on Instagram at Salvagemasterv. Thank you for stopping by. I'll catch you next one.